My name is B. Bird. I'm a filmmaker from Montreal Lake Cree Nation, and I'm currently based in Regina. I'm in my fourth year of film studies, and I got into filmmaking because I wanted to make an impact. Growing up, I didn't really have role models to guide me in the right direction, but ever since I was young, I always loved movies and storytelling. One of the biggest reasons for that was my mom. A long time ago, she bought a small camera for me, and from that moment on, I was hooked on filmmaking. Losing my mom changed my life in a lot of ways. For a long time, I carried grief and pain with me. People often see running as running away from something, but for me, running became medicine. It became healing. A few years ago, when I started school in Prince Albert, I began running more seriously. Every run helped clear my mind. It motivated me when school became overwhelming, and it made me feel closer to the loved ones I lost. Running became a form of prayer for me, a way to heal and reflect and keep moving forward. Filmmaking became another outlet for that healing. Through film, I found a way to express emotions that were hard to put into words. I realized I wanted to tell stories that matter, stories that could inspire others and help people feel seen. That's why I started my own business, to help amplify Indigenous voices and share stories that deserve to be heard. I believe our stories are powerful, and they need to be seen by future generations. I traveled a long way to be a part of this amazing program, and I'm grateful for the support that helped get me here, from my leaders, my community, and the people who supported me through GoFundMe. Their belief in me reminds me why I continue to do this work. I came here not only to grow as a filmmaker, but to inspire others to pursue filmmaking too, especially the Indigenous youth who may not see themselves represented in this industry. Every step I take while running, and every story I tell through film, is for healing, it's for resilience, and for the people who came before me. I'm running for my family. I'm running for my mom. I'm not running away. I'm running for my community. I'm running for Chief, the